Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a real cool Python project that can automatically organize all the messy files in your document folder. You know when your document folder looks like a complete disaster? You have salary files, invoice, PDF and everything mixed. Yeah, mine looked exactly like that. So instead of spending time sorting files manually, let's make Python do the boring work for us. Let me show you. So here's what our script does. It opens the document folder and checks every single file. Then it looks at the file name. If the file name starts with salary, like salary 2006.pdf, Python moves it into the salary folder. If the file name starts with invoice, then it moves to the invoice. If the file name doesn't match any of the category, then it goes to the folder others. That's it. Simple idea, but very useful. Let's jump into the code. At the top, we are importing two modules, OS and schedule. Don't worry if you have never seen these before. The OS module helps us work with files and folders, and schedule helps us move files around. Next, we tell Python where our document folders is located. Then we create the folders we need: salary, invoice and others. The cool thing is that Python creates these folders automatically if they don't already exist. No need to create them yourself. After that, we loop through all the files in the document folder. Think of loop like Python saying, okay, give me the first file, now the second one, now the third file, one by one. Then we convert the file name to lowercase. If the file starts with salary, we move it to the salary folder. If it starts with invoice, it moves it to the invoice folder. Otherwise, move it to the others. Your messy folder is now organized automatically. Honestly, this is one of those beginner's projects that actually feels useful in real life. You are learning loops, conditions, file handling, and you are building something that saves time. Try adding your own category, maybe photos, music, games, and whatever files you use most. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment what Python project you did like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.